Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, ay i-share ko lang sa inyo ang moment. May i-share lang ako sa inyo. Yung uh, paano nga ba? So hindi nga nagbibigay ang mga asawang lalaki ng pera. Halos lahat ng asawang babae dito sa Pakistan ay hindi sila ang nagmamanage ng pera o kinikita ng kanilang asawa. Kadalasan or basically, binibigyan lamang sila ng allowance para sa sarili nila. Depende kung magkano ang allowance. So, yun yung pwede mong gastusin para sa sarili mo. At the rest, yung mga gastusin sa bahay, sa mga bata, at sa lahat-lahat, ang asawang lalaki na ang mag-manage. So, yun nga, ganito rin yung asawa ko. Hindi actually ako ang nagmamanage, pero alam ko kung magkano ang sweldo niya buwan-buwan o magkano kinikita niya buwan-buwan. At yun nga, mayroon akong allowance para sa sarili ko, para pag lumabas ako o kaya may gusto akong bilhin. Pero hindi kasama doon yung mga party dresses ko, bags, and shoes. So, a week before ay nagsabi ako sa asawa ko na gusto ko o kailangan ko ng bagong sapatos. At ito nga nangyari, binigyan niya ako ng pera, okay? So, hindi ko na rin sasabihin kung magkano man yung pera, basta binigyan niya ako ng pera para ibili ng sapatos. Pag binigyan niya ako ng pera, ibig sabihin yan, ay gagastusin ko ito para lang sa sarili ko. Hindi kasali yung iba, okay? Hindi ko pwedeng gastusin para ibili ng gamit sa bahay, o kaya pagkain sa bahay, o anumang kailangan sa bahay, o para sa mga bata. Ito ay pera o binigay niya ang perang ito, so ibig sabihin pangbili ko lang talaga ng sapatos. So dahil nga sumobra sa sapatos, so bumili din ako ng ilang bags. At yan actually ang asawa ko mahilig sa branded. Okay, niya nung pumunta ng mga palengke. So ako naman practical. Kasi hindi naman ako pumupunta o wala naman akong pinupuntahang hindi naman kasi ako nag-work. And ginagamit kong sapatos o bags ay depende sa pupuntahan ko. Kung yan ay big occasion, syempre kailangan medyo maganda o presentable yung bags mo at saka yung sapatos mo. Dahil nga isa akong housewife at kung lumalabas man ako kasama ng aking mga kaibigan o kaya ay pupunta sa family nila, kailangan maayos ka pa rin. At dahil nga medyo may pagkaano din ako. Sabihin na natin na medyo maarte din ako pagdating sa bags. Pero, hindi sa presyo. Depende sa style. Hindi mahalaga sa akin yung presyo. Ang mahalaga, ito ay may quality and affordable. Okay? Affordable plus the quality. Ayaw ko ng bags na sobrang fancy. Ayaw ko ng sobrang maraming kung ano-anong decoration. I want simplicity. Simple and presentable things like shoes, bags, and other things for myself. Formal and decent dresses. So, yun ay papakita ko today. So, please stay tuned until the end. I just want to share it with you. And yes, I am married to a Pakistani and living here in Pakistan. And since I am a Filipina married to a Pakistani and currently living in Pakistan. And I just want to let you know that we Filipinas living here in Pakistan has different stories, struggles, lifestyle, and happiness. Our life is basically depend to what kind of person or what kind of husband we have, what kind of man we have married, and of course the status, the social status of the husband, the financial ability of the husband. It all depends on the husband. Basically, our life or our lifestyle depends on the husband's financial status. So stay tuned until the end. Thank you. Aside from his financial status, it also depends on his religious beliefs. Okay, on how deep or how strict, how conservative, and how modern or simple the husband is. So today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili ko, okay? Sa binigay na pera ng aking asawa. Una, basically, humingi ako ng pera para ibili ng sapatos. So yun na ipapakita ko sa inyo, ano pa mga sapatos ang binili ko. Pero dahil nga natuto na akong lumabas, alam ko na yung mga stores na nagtitinda ng mga local brands at marunong na rin akong makipagtawaran. So, instead of going to the malls, I usually go to my favorite local brands that sells shoes and bags. Okay din naman yung mga sapatos nila na branded. Pero sa akin kasi, if I can find a nice one and fitted to my feet. Then I choose to buy in a local store. Actually, I have a big problem on the size of my feet. I have 4.5 size of feet up to 5, or most of the time here in Pakistan, I can find 6 good for me, but not really like exact to the size of my feet. But it's good. It's okay since I can comfortably wear it. And actually, the size of the shoes is one of the reason why hindi ako basta nakakabili ng sapatos. So, kailangan ko nung specific na store para makabili ng aking sapatos dahil ang size is not very common for adult. Alright? So, I'm gonna show you what are those shoes that I bought. Number 1 is this. Okay? These are sandals. Right? Sandals. So, I bought maroon. Hindi naman siya slippery. Right? The size of this is 5. Okay? And I have another one. This is the color brown. Actually, I was looking for black, but they don't have black. So, ito yung nabili ko. So, same. The next is this. It's a formal shoes. The size is 6, see? 6, but it's okay. I can wear. Okay, not so. It's fancy because I will wear it in the weddings or parties. This 2 inches. Alright, yan. Fancy golden color. Next is black. This is black sandals. Okay, this is style. Fancy din, silver and black. Gamosa, yun nga lang medyo gamosa yung cover niya. Pero so it needs a lot of care. You have to be careful because it's hard to clean when it's gamosa. So yan, size 6 din siya. I bought in one store, so they gave me a lot of discounts. And the other one is this, also it is a skin color. It's 6 also. It's 6 and 2 inches. They have all the same brand. This is the hobby that I have. Whenever I know I like the shoes, the style of the shoes or the bag, if the other color is available, then I'm gonna buy all of the color if I have money. So whenever I love the color and the size is good for me, then I wish to buy all the colors. So this one and that skin color are the same style. They have the same style. Okay, it's also 6. It's not slippery as well. Okay, this one and this one is the same style. Just the color is different. Next is the sandals. This is also 6. It's the style. It's also 6 and it's light. Look at the style and light, very light. Okay, actually, dahil lagi akong bumibili sa kanila akong bumibili kasi is because since I came here in Pakistan, once my sister-in-law brought me in that store, and that shoes that I bought from them takes years before it get bad. It's actually not really bad, but it's old, so I have to remove it. So these are all from their store. So, dahil nga proven na yung antibay ng kanilang sapatos para sa akin, I choose to buy always in their store. And this one, see, it's very nice as well. And so light, very light. Okay, it's also 6, but this one is the most expensive one. It's actually, we checked, $399. It has 3,999 rupees. So nice. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 sandals, so 8. Because of that, I got a lot of discount. And since may natira pa sa pera, alright, mayroon din akong favorite store in that same market. So I always check whenever they have a new delivery. As I said, I want simple one. Okay, but decent. So here, I found this bag. Okay. So, I found this bag. And very soft. Yeah, as I said, yan, kailangan simple lang talaga siya, pero gusto ko hindi mukhang mumurahin. Or it has 1, 2, okay, sa gitna, and 3. And very nice zipper. It has also, if you want to make it cross bag, it has also this one. And it's big. It's not small, okay? It's big. So, since I love the bag, I love the style of the bag, of course, eto na nga. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I have that hobby of buying the colors if I can afford. So, one is silver. So, I have this one pink. Or actually, it's not really pink, it's baby pink. And skin color. Yes, this is the skin color. Pretty, right? So, yan. Yes, mayroon po akong bad habit or bad attitude that kapag gusto ko yung bag o gusto kong isang bagay, lalo na yung style niya at yung quality, then, yan, hindi ko mapigilan ng sarili kong bumili ng marami. So, ito yung mga bag. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Have a great day, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video that I am going to upload. Thank you so much. Your support is a big help for me, and it will be a motivation for me to continue on making videos and sharing my life or our life while living in Pakistan.